Hello everyone. Often you must have noticed how highly motivated we get after listening to that motivational speech or talk or podcast or watching that inspirational video, talk show on the television, reading some book. But gradually that motivation keeps coming down and finally it vanishes. So any external motivation is temporary, my dear friends. So the fire that we borrow cannot continue for long. Don't you think it is a good idea if we know how to light up our own fire? So here comes the role of self-motivation. Self-motivation, my dear friends, is the key to success. It helps us to keep up the momentum and stay on the path that we have started on. So in this video, I shall be sharing with you 8 important tips to stay self-motivated in life. So the point number 1, start doing. So many times you would have noticed we come up with an idea and we want to start with it, but we keep thinking about it, and we wait for that perfect moment to start. We wait for ourselves too to become perfect to start with that idea. But now, my dear friends, enough of that thinking. Now it is the time to take some action. Get up and start doing. So in the words of George Herbert, do not wait. The time will never be just right. So start where you stand with the tools that you have in your command, and along that journey, you will keep finding better tools. Yes, my dear friends, absolutely correct. Once we start on the journey, we keep improving and we tend to notice growth. So for example, when I started making such videos, now that I look back, I find there is some or the other improvement in every consecutive video because I learned new skills once I started with the journey. So the growth is guaranteed, but you have to start. Now take the first step. And here I would especially like to quote Martin Luther King, who says, take that first step. You don't have to look for the whole staircase. So my dear friends, start right now. Okay, the point number 2 is be clear with what exactly you want. So until and unless we are sure of and we are clear of what exactly we want, which path do we want to choose, how do we motivate ourselves to go on what path? So we have to be clear about it, and clarity is equal to success. And once we are clear with what exactly we want, we are able to focus better on that particular thing. Also, question yourself, why am I doing this? How is this adding value to my life? And note down all these points in your diary and go through them time and again to stay self-motivated. Point number 3, set specific and measurable goals. So according to the American Psychological Association, 90% of people who set specific goals tend to achieve them. And why measurable? Because anything that is measurable, you can improve that. So you need to know if you are still walking on the right path. So our goals have to be very specific and measurable. So for example, I want a growth of 5% in this quarter. Point number 4, be consistent and keep repeating. Friends, the motivation gets us started, but it is the habit that keeps us going. So make a deal with yourself. If you skip doing it today, tomorrow you will have to do double the amount. So this way you are being strict to yourself. So for example, I missed writing my 1 page of book today. Tomorrow I will have to write 2 pages of book. Point number 5, focus on the accomplishments rather than on the finish line. We need to celebrate every little success. Just because you're grown up does not mean you do not have to celebrate. You do not have any right or the reward. Reward yourself. In the words of Bob Nelson, what you reward, you get. Point number 6, have a growth mindset and always keep learning. So friends, having a growth mindset allows us to believe that we can learn any skill through our hard work and sincere efforts. So that allows us to believe that nothing is impossible. And yes, there is abundance of learning available. There is so much to learn from everything in this universe. So read books, listen to the audios, watch motivational videos, observe the successful people around you, learn from the nature. There is no end to learning. Point number 7, my dear friends, is let us create an environment around us. Keep in touch with the people who are positive, who are motivating, who are inspiring, who are enthusiastic. And you yourself need to stay cheerful and happy and positive and smiling. So you cannot stay self-motivated with that kind of attitude. Oh yes, fine, it is okay. Let us try and make this happen. Maybe we'll be able to do this. I'm working for it. No, you have to be cheerful and look forward to something positive happening in your life. And also, whatever place you spend most of your time, design that place in such a way that it keeps motivating you. So, for example, if you have a whiteboard in your office, write down a motivational quote daily on that. And there are those posters and placards available with one-liners. For example, yes, you can do it. Nothing is impossible. I am the winner. So hang those posters and placards around your workplace. You can also try making it yourself. It is very simple. You just have to take a chart paper and with a bold marker just write down one-liner. You can do it. You know what? When we write it ourselves, we tend to believe it more. So you can also keep a desk calendar on your table with those inspiring quotes. So the idea is to have reminders all around you to stay motivated. Point number 8. Shift your focus from getting to giving. Now this is beautiful. When we are able to create this shift in mindset from getting to giving, we will find many ways to spread this abundance of motivation. And once we are able to motivate someone, we are able to believe our own words, and our own words then act as reminders to us when we are feeling weak. By the way, not everything in this world is transaction, right? So these were the 8 points that will help you stay self-motivated. There's a beautiful quote which says, be miserable or be motivated. The choice is yours. So what do you choose, my dear friends? Choose to decide, take action, take that very first step, and then rise to whatever height you want to rise to. You have to realize this is your life and you have to push yourself on this track of your life. With that self-motivation, you will always find the momentum to move ahead in life. So all the very best. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.